What's tomorrow? 1st of July.
And first song is The Rain Tumbles Down in July.
Which one?
Lim. Someone gonna sing. No, I sing again.